Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 17th of September. The euro appreciated against most of its major counterparts as risk appetite of market participants remained intact, and recent developments both in the Eurozone and the US favoured buying of the single currency. European Central Bank President Draghi revealed their bond buying programme called Outright Monetary Transaction, while the Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke announced a third round of quantitative easing by which the central bank will be purchasing mortgage-backed securities while keeping interest rates near zero until 2015. In contrast, the effects of the above were negative for the greenback as it has been sold heavily. The Economic and Financial Affairs Council meeting took place in Cyprus on Saturday, emphasised on the implementation of a single bank supervision body, but no major agreement was produced. The euro rose above 131.68 against the US dollar, a 4-month high, and recorded a monthly appreciation of 4.4% so far. The Australian dollar pipped over a resistance area versus the US dollar on Friday, rising to 106.24, but didn't manage to hold on to that level. Oil finally broke out of its days-old range and even traded above $100. The upward trend remains strong and the 98.30 area is expected to act as a support. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.85. The dollar-yen pivot point at 77.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 77.90. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 105.05 with a preference to enter into long positions at 105.05. The sterling dollar pivot points at 161.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 161.80. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9665 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9665. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot point at 98.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 98.70. The gold pivot points at 1747 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1747. The silver pivot points at 34 with a preference to enter into long positions at 34. The US 500 pivot points at 1448 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1448. And the UK 100 is at 5818 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5818. And of course, more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the EU current account in July, forecast to narrow down to 10.9 billion. Canadian foreign securities purchasing in July forecast to increase to 11.3 billion. And the US Empire State Manufacturing Index forecast to improve to -2. Our interesting pair to watch is the dollar weakening against the Swiss franc over the past 2 weeks. The pair dropped to 0.9549 to 0.9238, a solid 3.26 depreciation. The 0.9340 level taken out on Friday was a previous resistance area and should be expected to act the same if there is a retracement. But interesting to see whether they record lower lows. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good week.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.